Welcome back to the Explainer. Today, we are doing a total forensic deconstruction of an incredibly concise, yet honestly remarkably dense piece of text, Apple Intelligence and the Future of Services. For the focused learners out there who just love extracting maximum meaning from minimal data, you are absolutely going to love this one. We're stripping away the noise and looking strictly at the raw text presented to us to uncover what looks like a massive shift in corporate strategy. Okay, let's dive into this exact URL string that we are meticulously analyzing today. It's a direct link to Apple's newsroom. Now, at first glance, you might just see a standard web address, a jumble of words and slashes. But in the world of high-level corporate communications, especially for a company as deliberate as Apple, a URL is literally never just a URL. It's a carefully constructed statement of intent. Every single hyphen, every directory folder, it's all deliberate data. We are going to squeeze every single drop of meaning out of this exact string of text. Section 1. The Industry IQ Context, Framing the Teaser. So before we even touch that Apple URL itself, we really have to understand the framing provided by our source. The text explicitly notes that this link serves as context for the Industry IQ channel, and, well, this brilliantly illustrates the lens through which we need to view all this. The name Industry IQ strongly implies a focus on high-level corporate strategy, market intelligence, and broad sector-wide impacts. So right out of the gate, we know we aren't just looking at a simple consumer software patch here. We are analyzing a strategic business maneuver that's meant to shift an entire industry. Section 2. Decoding the 2026 timeline. Okay, if we look really closely at the directory structure here, right after newsroom, we see the chronological path, 2026/06. This firmly plants this official Apple newsroom announcement right now, in the month of June, in the year 2026. This isn't some vague, coming soon kind of teaser. No way. It is a time-stamped focal point embedded right into the internet's architecture. By explicitly placing 2026/06 into the link, it creates a hard, undeniable deadline for the future it promises. We are looking at a highly specific moment in time, June 2026, when the entire landscape of Apple's ecosystem is slated to fundamentally shift. Section 3. Apple Intelligence Unpacked. Let's meticulously walk through the exact hyphenated syntax of the URL slug, almost like a breadcrumb trail of Apple's exact phrasing. It goes, Apple unveils innovative features and intelligence experiences. Every single word is intentional. Notice the active verb unveils. That indicates a major theatrical reveal, not just a quiet behind-the-scenes update. And then we get the dual focus. Innovative features joined by the word and to intelligence experiences. The hyphenation literally locks these concepts together in the text's very foundation. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how we can strictly define Apple Intelligence based purely on the boundaries of our source text. According to this highly specific framework, Apple Intelligence isn't just one singular thing, right? It's not a standalone app. It is categorized by the text as a dual-pronged approach linking two distinct elements, those innovative features and the intelligence experiences, directly to their services. It's like a conceptual bridge between what the software technically does and how you emotionally or practically interact with it. Let's visually contrast these two specific phrases pulled directly from the URL, just to fully grasp the depth here. On one side, we have innovative features. Features are tools. They are functional, specific, and utility-driven. But on the other side, we have intelligence experiences. An experience is entirely different. It's the whole shebang. It's holistic. It dictates how you organically interact with the digital ecosystem. The language embedded here promises both simultaneously, handing users brand new tools while radically offering entirely new ways of experiencing intelligence itself. So you aren't just getting an update with new buttons, you're getting an entirely new paradigm for how your devices anticipate your needs. Section 4. Experiences across Apple services. So the crucial point is right here at the very tail end of the URL string, across services. The explicit focus of this major June 2026 rollout is absolutely not a new physical phone. It's not a shiny new laptop or a specific piece of hardware. The stated destination is across services. The hyphenated phrasing is inherently plural, and it is incredibly broad. This signifies a massive horizontal integration. These new intelligent experiences are designed to penetrate the entire service ecosystem rather than being isolated to just a single application. Section 5. The Future of Services.
Our overarching source title isn't just about a standard software update. It is quite literally titled Apple Intelligence and the Future of Services. When we connect the URL's specific targeted focus on across services directly to this overarching title, wow, we see the true magnitude of what this specific June 2026 text actually represents. It isn't just modifying existing subscriptions, it is definitively claiming to author the very future of that entire business sector. It's a monumental, industry-shaking claim packed into just a single, highly structured line of text. Which brings us to the ultimate question for you to consider today. We've forensically broken down the exact wording, the embedded dates, and the strategic framing of this incredibly dense source. So, based strictly on the IndustryIQ excerpt and the precise phrasing of this URL, what will the ultimate future of services actually look like after this June 2026 announcement? How will this promised fusion of innovative features and holistic intelligence experiences redefine our daily digital interactions across the board? I really want you to think on that. Thank you so much for joining this explainer. Keep analyzing and keep learning.